Hello everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to emulate games using RetroArch on a computer. First you're going to go to the link in the description at retroarch.com and it'll bring you to the official RetroArch download page. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select your system. Windows is here, Linux, and a bunch of other systems. You're going to download the one for you. And when it's done downloading, you're going to open it and install it. I already have RetroArch installed, but I'll go through the steps so you can see as well. Hello, future me. So basically for an installer, you just click next a bunch of times and you can Google specifically what you want to know, but generally install everything it asks you to. The DirectX drivers are optional, and if you don't want them, you don't have to install them. If you selected the DirectX option, you have to also install that. And then RetroArch should be completed with its setup. After that, you're going to find and launch RetroArch to confirm it works. You can close out of that. And then you need to find your ROM. I am going to use New Super Mario Bros. For the DS, which I have right here on my computer. I won't post any links for piracy, and you should only download games you legally own. I only have these. Once you have this, you're going to remember where it is. So I know it's on G and then ROMs, and then it's right here. And then once you do that, you can open up RetroArch again. And then you're going to go to Input, Retro Pad Binds, Port 1 Controls, and then set all controls. And it'll ask you to set all of the controls, and you just press the key on your keyboard or mouse for everything that you want. Once you're done with that, you're going to come to load content. You're going to come to load core, download a core, and pick the core here that matches your system name. If I had a Nintendo Game Boy Color game, I would click OK. It would download and install it directly for me. Then OK on load content, and then now this is where you need to remember that file path. Mine is in G, ROMs, and it's right here. And once you press OK, the game will launch. When emulating games, remember that not all computers will be able to emulate everything. For example, my old laptop would not be able to emulate DS. It can emulate SNES games at most. You can usually find guides online for what computer and hardware can emulate what games. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, and if it did, please consider liking and subscribing. The channel is absolutely tiny right now, and it would mean a ton.